What is going on, guys? My name is Ryan McComas. If you don't know me, I'm Ryan McComas. Today I will be teaching you guys how to clean your disgusting yellowing Yeezys. All you're gonna need for this product is your disgusting yellowing Yeezy and some Salon Care 40. I got this stuff at Sally's Beauty Salon for $3.29, I believe. Super cheap stuff. It's a $3 fix for these disgusting yellowing Yeezys. The supplies you're gonna need for this project is some Salon Care 40, some premium saran wrap, an old toothbrush, and some soapy water. If you have actual shoe cleaning product, I would recommend using those, such as Rejuvenator, Crep, or Jason Marks. Those would work a lot better for this product, but since I don't have any, I'm using some soapy water and an old toothbrush. So once you have your supplies, let's get right into it.
The first thing I did was get out my cleaning supplies and started going full send on the outsoles of these Yeezys, making sure to remove all dirt or residue that might get in the way of whitening effects of Salon Care 40. I used a towel to make sure that my desk didn't get dirty, but this isn't required. I continued cleaning all the dirt and grime from the bottoms for about 10 minutes. Then cleaned off the soles with the towel, making sure they're completely dry. Then get out your saran wrap, premium saran wrap to be exact. I laid out a big strip of wrap, making sure it's big enough to completely cover the bottoms of your soles. Then pour a generous amount of your Salon Care 40 on the saran wrap and spread it around. I recommend using a paintbrush to spread this instead of your finger like I did.
If you guys can see, I actually bleached my fingertip by spreading it around with my finger. So, use a paintbrush or a toothbrush. You could actually just use the toothbrush you use to clean your shoes with, and it would work great. Just put your Salon Care 40 in a little cup, dip it in there, and paint it on where you want exactly. This actually would work better, so I'm probably gonna be doing this with the second shoe once I do the comparison. If you don't know, that's pretty much what this is. It's just hydrogen peroxide, but in cream form. Anyway, let's get back to the restoration.
Finally, press down your shoe on the wrap and press down so the peroxide covers the whole outsole. Then just wrap up the shoes and smooth out the bottom to ensure coverage. Then take it outside and let it sit in the sun until the yellowing has gone away. I took it inside and wiped the shoes clean of all the salon care and did it before and after. Just look at the difference.
Okay, now it's time to look at the final product. Here's the shoes we cleaned, and here's what it used to look like. That is awful. It's not completely white like it used to be. There's still a little bit of yellowing, but this is only after one treatment, so you can go back and do it again and again and again as many times as you want. I also noticed that it cleaned the boost a little bit, stopped the yellowing from the boost, and with a little bit of scrubbing, you can probably get that to be new too. But as you can see, it looks a million times better already. I will most likely be going back and getting this shoe as well, because you don't really want two shoes that look different. Now, all this darkness you see is just because dirt has gone underneath this rubber, and there's nothing really I can do to fix this. However, it did fix the problem that I had, which was really gross yellow soles. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you like my pizza shirt. Also leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you're new, and I will probably be making more videos like this in the future. This is my first Yeezy video. I will probably be making more on how to clean, how to style, things like that. So subscribe. See you later.